Good morning, guys. Ndicela nindijongise apha. So this is Little Human's bed, and he came to me this morning before he went to school. He's like, Mama, come see, I made my bed. So before I show you the actual thing, you are guys. So these two pillows, he doesn't use them, ne? Because if you check here, there's a window. So we suspect the window doesn't close properly. So now I've made him to sleep on that side, yabo, so that he's not by the window. Because uvuka impumlo zakhe zidry okanye, yeah. So, and yeah, obviously, toddlers will be toddlers. He wants that thing there. Now he comes, so this stays like this. Obviously, then when I make the bed or my sister makes the bed, we'll just fix those pillows. We leave them there in case he comes, because sometimes he comes this side. I suspect he's going to be left-handed, because sometimes he comes this side, and then at least it helps him up, so that he doesn't hit his head against this. So we would leave it like this at night. Ne. Sometimes I leave it like this. So this morning he comes to me, Mama, I made my bed. Come see. Guys, this is the bed that is made. He's 4 years old, by the way, for those who don't know. Little Human is my 4-year-old toddler. This bed is made, guys. Oh God, he tried, he tried, but I couldn't. Guys, look. No. And then, okay, so obviously I put these blankets here because kukoni space, yeah, so I don't want him to. My sister actually came up with this idea. So we put those blankets there. Lena, most of the time when we're sitting on the couch, so we just take it. So we said that's why it's not even properly folded. So, guys. Oh God, hi guys, he tried. No, he tried. Guys, please rate. This should actually go to his channel. Little Human has got a YouTube channel. For those who don't know, it's I'm gonna put it on the screen. Please go subscribe to his channel, guys, and support my Little Human. He is out to get his own bag, and his channel is very active. So please, yo, us. No, not that I'm 10. Yeah, when I got a camera. And I'm sure about my because it's becoming a norm channel. Yeah. Okay. I'm doing a new video again, Aliko. Can I proceed? Okay. Yes, I'm doing a new video, Little Human. Okay, tell me. I will be pajama. I hope my mom will see it. You hope mom will see it? Okay, you're gonna tell her you were featured? Yes. Okay. In the background? Yeah. Oh! I can win. My pajamas is green. You wanna say hello to everyone? You wanna say hello, everyone? I'm going to move that. You wanna feature? Yeah. Okay, it's fine. You can come feature. Guys, I've got abantu abazifeaturisha ngokwalo. And you're showing. So I've got people that just want to feature in my video today. Okay, do you guys want to say hello to everyone? Yes, hello everyone. How are you doing? Hope to see you soon. Please subscribe to Mom's channel. Please subscribe to Mom's channel. And like the video. Yes. And click the bell. Click the bell. Yes, and click the bell. I'm just speaking over. Yes, they're gonna subscribe. Okay, you wanna help me do the grocery haul, or must I do it alone? What are we doing today? Guys, sometimes they ask me full house. Full house. At least today I'm not ugly. I know you are never ugly. The time I'm always not. You just don't. Good. You just this not the real me, guys. This is the real me. I have to introduce the video.
This is my first time being in a video. What's that? This time.
He's still talking, Nana. And what do you want them to know about you? That you love YouTube.
Yes.
And you are so happy to have a mom who's on YouTube. Okay. Okay, now I've made your day, ne? Hi, Bosana.
No,
Okay, come. You also say hello to everyone. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, everyone.
How are you, everyone? Hello, Bachong. You are fine. Okay. Okay, now you wanna go play with your brother?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can go play. I'll do this one. You guys can talk in the background. Now you can help me in the background, ne?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, guys, welcome to the start of a new vlog. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing before you leave. And if you're a returning subscriber and OG squad, welcome back and thank you so much for your support. Let's do a quick grocery haul. It is a Saturday morning. We have got a guest that is coming through at 1 o'clock, and the time right now is just after 10.
10.
What time is it, Aliko?
It's 10. It's 8 minutes past 10.
8 minutes past 10. We've got a guest coming through at 11 o'clock. We don't have a stove. Our stove is still broken. So we can't cook for her, right? So I went to Woolworths to get something lighting for lunch. But obviously I bought some other items as well. The boys were helping me offload. So this is the tester. Just gonna try to bring them close. And guys, again, as you can see, there's a full house today, so there's gonna be noise background. Guys. She'll come say hi. Shemunako is taking a bath. She'll come say hi. I'll try to include her. I don't know, but hopefully, but she's taking a bath. Okay, so garlic. Where do I start? Let me start with what we're gonna. Let me just start with the normal stuff. So, banana. Your descendants, yes. I was worried because Ubu has been eating it.
But
we still have. Okay, we still have banana, but I added. Hopefully, it's gonna be eaten. And then I got cornflakes. Aliko, you said you don't eat. You said you only eat cornflakes.
She doesn't like cornflakes.
He doesn't like cornflakes. Yo, I thought he said he likes.
What do you call it?
Yo, I
Flakes.
Brown flakes. I don't
know.
And
I almost took all brand.
And you tell your all brand because I do have all brand even now.
We'll go buy them later, ne? Okay, guys. In the morning when I was still in bed, I heard Umakazi talking with the boys. I thought Aliko said he likes cornflakes. But anyway, Uli later likes cornflakes. When she's here, she will eat cornflakes and Luvo, and then fabric softener, and then if I'm bath for Little Human, I am struggling to find that 1 liter bottle. I don't know what's happening with Woolworths, our Woolworths, but I opted for this small one for now. And this one is baby, it's an wash and shampoo. So I got this one because I need my cool, but I'll keep trying. So far, we're so long, we're going to be using this one. I'm going to have to try wood meat, I think. And then I got wet wipes for my car. And then, oh, there is something. I hope you will be
having. Yeah, well, I'm done.
Oh, ingathi
Vela neqhuma in fact.
I don't put my ban. I got a lotion for my car because I do have it in the handbag, but sometimes if Ube is driving and for some reason I left my handbag, it's an issue. So I got for my car, not for, I think there is one in his car, I'm not sure. And then this is an oh, then we get to today's stuff. So I'm gonna make a green salad with garlic bread. Don't ask me, I'm gonna have to use the microwave. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna use microwave to warm this. I've never used
even
microwave.
cut it and put it in the
Air fry.
air fry.
Oh, I've never used. I've always used.
But
the
make sure
oven.
you take that.
Ish, yeah. Then chakalaka. Ne? I wanted to buy it beetroot, but we had beetroot last night, and I think Aliko didn't like it. You don't like beetroot, ne?
It's nice. I like it.
You liked it?
He ate it.
Oh, but you didn't want to actually thought. Okay, but I got chakalaka. Anyway, we had beetroot last night, so we can't eat the same thing. Because remember, guys, we are not cooking. It's stove set is cooking. And then, so what did I say? I'm making a chakalaka, green salad, garlic bread, roll, and the chicken.
Oh,
That's all.
Sunday now.
Able to see. And then you want this unezela. I got those chicken sliders for the little ones to snack on, because like I said, guys, we can't cook. Then later on, I think we'll probably go buy KFC. So they're gonna snack on this. They're gonna join us on this as well. Then later for supper, we'll probably get KFC, or I don't want to say the McDonald's, guys, because of new booty, it's gonna make a big deal out of it. And then I got juice, the 3 as usual. And this is specialist still. That's about how much, but you can always buy 3. So I got the orange and mango, I got tropical splash, I got cranberry. Then I got lemons. Lemons. Hey. I got this carrot, yes, and if you want to add the upper in case ya baba, this chakalaka. So we do have itinye beans, apparently. Yeah. So add the itinye beans na le carrot in case ya baba. And yes, I've never had lendos. And then I got plums. I got iced tea. I got this iced tea the last time. Last time I bought only this flavor. I liked it. So today I'm gonna try this flavor. So I got these 2 flavors.
Mama, did you bring plums?
I brought plums, Mama, yes. You wanna see plums? This was born. And then for dessert, we are going to have this cake. I didn't want to buy a big cake, guys, because it ends up being in the fridge for longer. Abantu balapha xa ukhona cake, batya just once and then that's it. So lena sizotya namhlanje wonke umuntu and then it's finished. Then I bought this pomegranate rubies, right? This pomegranate, because I was thinking ndizawukwenza a fruit salad. I thought I was gonna add this, but I'm not sure if I'm still gonna do that. Sinai banana apple. What else do we have? Mango, I can't count because I call right. But I don't know. But anyway, then I khalela as well. Then we're gonna have this for dessert as well. These 2 are gonna go together. And then in future life for little human, guys. One thing that for big human. One thing I forgot to do. I'm not sure. Okay, but anyway, results is like they came back. Results is the allergy test results. The little man came back, so he does have the allergy when it comes to food. But it is on food colorant, the red color. So I'm still learning about it. I've never had to deal with an allergic person in my life. So yeah, we have to learn about that. Oh, Nako is done. I have to still learn about that. So even with this with this porridge yake, now I'm gonna stick to original, because sometimes we would buy strawberry, we would buy banana, but I think that coloring is the red color. So red, pink, purple, orange. Yeah. So yeah, now it's gonna be an original Dondon flavor. Yeah, I think I am done. Nako, do you wanna come say hello to my vlog?
But we are frustrated with love.
Okay, come say hello. It's your moment to shine.
Hello everyone, make sure you like and subscribe, and I hope you're having a great day. Love you. Mwah, mwah. Don't forget to like.
Yeah, thank you, Nicole. Guys, today's vlog is the most interesting one. I should always have crowd. Say it.
I think you guys was We didn't. I think you guys, you were supposed to say, comment down below what is your favorite. I don't know.
Okay, come tell them. Guys, I don't think I'm a vlogger anymore. The kids in this house are taking over. Okay, fine. Tell them what I'm saying.
Make sure you must comment down below what is your favorite food.
Okay, so what's your favorite food item from
That's
these
interesting.
items? Guys, please, Aliko is asking that you comment. Which one is your favorite food item? There's so many options. If you missed what I said, you can always rewind and check the food items. You want to say anything else? You good? Okay. Okay, guys, we're closing it for today. I'm not gonna vlog when my visitor is here. By the way, it's my cousin sister. I'm not gonna vlog when she's here. We're just gonna have a moment and then yeah. Oh, and also Ugelke is going for breakfast date. That's why she's all dressed up. Otherwise, so
Hi! Is this one?
killing the people. So yeah, she's going for breakfast date. She was supposed to meet at 10 with her date, but then the date is running late. So I think she said she will tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, she'll tell her when she's ready. It's only ladies, guys.
I'm still single, my people. I'm still single.
This part, don't comment down below. Just keep watching the video. Don't comment about this.
You see people who are married are like this. Now she's closing that area for me. Now she's married, guys. The fact that they watch you, it means they are.
Nah, only ladies watch me. I know I've got some gents that watch me. Who's that guy, Konje? He's in China. He's Swati. Milano. I know Milano watches me. Guys, but I don't remember. I'm so sorry. But I know Milano watches me. And I think I must link his channel. I'll put his channel name here on the screen. So yes, guys, that's it for now. Let me pack and get ready for our guests. Yes, you can stop. Good morning, Ocho Squad. It is a Sunday morning. We still do not have our stove fixed, so I'm trying to make breakfast. Also, guys, don't mind my kitchen. It's a little bit of a mess, but yeah. So I've just made chips using the air fryer. I wish I could show you how much. Oh, also, guys, background, it's full house. I hope you can hear me. So I'm making chips with Viennas, and I'm also trying to I've never done this. Yes, guys, making poached eggs. Let me see. I think this one is just a waste. I think it's a waste. I'm gonna have to redo this one. Well, obviously Lena out since I was but anyway, I'm gonna make those three things: iqanda, poached, and then Vienna net chips, and then we've got breakfast. So trying to make breakfast without a stove. Let's see if the eggs I'm gonna try the second one, the third one. After the third one, if it doesn't work, then I'm done. Breakfast is ready. We've got chips, we've got Viennas, we've got Aliko, we've got... You wanna say hello?
Yes.
Okay, come say hello. No, I'm using the back camera.
Hello, guys. How are you?
You're looking fresh and all.
Yes. How are you guys?
What must they comment about today?
What proteins should they eat?
Guys, each challenge is Zininzi. Thank you, Aliko.
Make sure to like and subscribe and click the bell.
Click the bell. There's Nako and Licky Human, and then now the dad is sitting down wanting to show his face in his style. But anyway, because we can manipulate this thing. Okay, we've got chips, potato chips. We've got Rush Viennas. We've got, guys, my poached eggs. Nyambona ke nje behleli pha. Utata wabantwana. Just 2 minutes, baby. Thank you. Oh, and this transfer mali. He's giving me his phone, guys, and ikwi app. Nayo mos password ye bank app yakho kuyafana. Okay, my eggs, guys, nanga. I tried, yazi. This one is the very first one that I tried, and then I think this is the last one that I tried. I did, because I was like feeling myself. But anyway, there's alpaca, so I'm just gonna add a pepper for adults and then just salt for the little ones. So for adults, we're gonna get both, and then nasisonga for someone of songa. But yeah, it's in the page, and then we are good. The stove has been fixed, so at least I'll be back to cooking now. I'm happy. I've already taken out what I'm gonna cook. I've been craving inyama ebomvu. Let me show you guys what I'm cooking tonight. I'm gonna cook beef. I don't know with what, but yes. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet done so. Like, comment, and share. Until the next one, you guys take care. I love you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.